Hello guys, thank you very much for coming up to the Stock Union's YouTube channel, and I would like to thank you once again for your engagement from the last video. And I hope today the information that we'll provide to you will be really valuable. And if I give you some value, basically just don't hesitate to smash the like button, and also subscribe to my channel. So today guys, what we're going to talk about, how do you need to start investing when you have just as little as 100 bucks, no more than 100 bucks. And we'll see basically which steps do you need to follow in order to understand the way how do you need to start investing. Just one remark guys, today we are not going to talk about ETF funds. So just please stay tuned until the end, because all piece of the information here is very important. So guys, first of all, the first step that we need to do, we need to choose a broker. Today I will provide you the range of 4 brokers that you can just take a look. The first broker that I have put you over here is Webull. So Webull or Webull, so it depends on the way how you can pronounce it. So why do I would like to provide you this particular broker? Because here's 0 commissions and here's no deposit minimums. So basically it covers our 100 bucks, our 100 bucks threshold. So over here you can see that you can invest in stocks, you can invest in options, you can also invest in ETFs, and you can invest in the foreign companies. But basically one issue that I don't like with Webull is the fact that they, despite they're writing here 0 commission, they're still taking a little bit of it. When it comes to the sales option, so when you're selling the stock, they're basically taking a small commission. The next one that I wanted to show you is Robinhood. It's also a very good one, United States, broker. And they provide you also a very good graphs. It's very, mobile friendly. You can start with as little as 1 box. So it's, it also covers our threshold with 100 bags. But one thing that I want to show you guys is the broker that I'm personally using. It is Trading 212. Or Trading 212. So that's the one that basically allows you to start with as little as 1 bag as well. Or £1. It depends on your local currency. And the most significant thing is that it allows you to buy the fractional shares. So what does it mean, the fractional share? For instance, the price of Amazon, 1 share is going to cost you 3,000 bucks. Definitely not all of us can find such the big money. And you would like, for instance, to buy just 1/10 of this 1 share. So basically it will be just 300. So just because of the fact that it will be just 300, you will own 1/10 of the 1 share of Amazon, and you will still receive the money if it's going to grow. So that's a really good one option in Trading 212. And also if you, by the way, investing in the dividend stocks, you will also receive some dividends from the fractional shares. Another thing that I do really like about it is the fact that it's basically regulated by the Financial Conduct Authority. So what does it mean? If the broker will go bankrupt, your money will be somehow protected, but up to £85,000. I think it's around like 95,000 bucks. So it's pretty much okay. Another thing that I wanted to talk with you about, after you have decided which broker you want to choose, you need to take a look on the price targets. That's the thing that I was talking about in the previous video. The price targets are really important in this notion. When it comes to the price target, today I would like to show you 4 companies, based on the different forecasts that you need to invest into. The first company is Uber. So according to the Deutsche Bank, the current price of Uber, as you can see here, is 57 bucks. But the forecast price will be around 82 bucks. So basically it is going to go up until it will give you the return percentage for around 43%. So what does it mean? If you have invested your whole or 100 bags into Uber, it's gonna give you within a couple of months 143, so it means 43 bucks in return. Definitely you don't want it to go in this way. You need to diversify your portfolio, and you want to divide this 100 bags by 4 pieces. That is why I'm giving you 4 companies. Another company that I think also is a good one into your portfolio is a Dollar General. Yeah, as you can see over here, so basically it was going down a little bit. Yeah, so it was kind of the graph was just kind of going down up until 174. Yeah, and then it's just going to go up, as you can see on the latest use here, and since 17th of March it's just going up. And the forecasted price from the UBS that has been provided is around 235. So it means that you will receive up to 25% of your return. Another company that is very very popular on our planet, I think everyone was once in your life have been trying to use it and been trying to purchase any good from it, is Alibaba. Yeah, according to the Trust Financial, the forecasted price for Alibaba is around 330 bucks. So from this particular level is plus 90 bucks. Yeah, so it means it's plus 37 bucks of your return. Another one that we have discussed with you also in the previous video, and I was really I was so impressed by seeing it in the Morgan Stanley's forecast review. It's Chevron company. That's a company from the oil and gas sector. Yeah, it was it was doing very good up to 112. Yeah, I was doing basically I've invested into this company on the level of 98, as you can see when actually it was going down up 98. Yeah, and it was going up until 112. But as you can see, Morgan Stanley has given the forecasted price even 127. So it's around 22% of your return. Yeah. One thing, guys, I think we have discussed this issue of price targets, and another thing that I want to show you, that when it comes to investing, it is not only about stocks. Yeah, it is also about buying golden bullions, or probably silver bullions if you don't have enough money, or it is also coins. Here, I would like to give you a very good possibility of purchasing the gold and silver plated President Trump 2020 coin absolutely for free. Yeah, so just going to the link in the description and you will find out this particular plated President Trump 2020 coin. As you can see, this item was selling on Amazon for $39.95. Coming back to what we have discussed before, we have decided, for instance, these 4 companies, we have divided our 100 bags by 4 pieces. So it's 25 bags on each of the 4 companies that I have mentioned above. Yeah, we need to understand when exactly do we need to buy this or that particular stock. Coming to the Uber, example, over here, I've drawn for you, just a little bit of graphs. Yeah, as you can see, it's just going, a little bit this way. So from around like 10th of September, so from the beginning of September until the beginning of November, the price was going in somehow in some kind of a corridor. Yeah, so it was not going up. Yeah, it was not going down until this level. Yeah, that's a very good moment to buy. Yeah, because of the fact that, as you can see, starting from November, then up to the end of November, the price, has significantly, rising. So up to the level of 50 even, like 49. Then it was going also in some kind of a corridor until this moment. Yeah, so starting from the end of November until probably the end of March, it will be going in some kind of this corridor. So and then afterwards, we are capable of seeing some kind of rise, as we have already seen on the previous example over here. Yeah, as you can see. So basically, on the forecast based from the Deutsche Bank, is going to give us 43% of the return. But here comes the one thing: when do you need exactly to buy this stock? For instance, like tomorrow, the stock market will be open, and you're going to decide this particular stock. Just try to wait until it is gonna go down just a little bit. Anyways, it is gonna go down one time. Yeah, if you can see that it will go down, that's the right moment to invest. Don't even hesitate. Yeah, just have some cash, yeah, on your accounts. Yeah, and you can just buy it straight away. Yeah, so guys, once again, I would like to thank you so much for viewing this video. Today we have covered three main elements. So the way of choosing the broker, yeah, the price targets based on four companies, yeah, and the last moment is when exactly do you need to buy the stock? When it's going down, yeah, and or not when it's going up. Yeah, but here comes, like, different obstacles. Definitely, psychologically it is very difficult, but anyways, I hope you've got my point. If you have any questions, guys, please let me know in the comments below. Yeah, which exactly stock from this list of four companies you would like to choose. Also comment me down below, and I'm gonna answer on all of your comments. Or if you're gonna ask me for for any of the information or any of the websites that I have been using during during streaming this video, I can also provide you this information. So thank you so much, guys. Have a nice day, and thank you for viewing this video.